The Ministry of Defence says an investigation has uncovered dodgy land swap deals that cost the ministry over 500 million ringgit in losses and leakages. Defence Minister Mohamad Sabu said in a statement today that there were 16 such land swap deals in total, involving 2,933 acres of land belonging to Mindef, valued at 4.75 billion ringgit, with project costs totaling 4.88 billion ringgit. He was citing a report by a special investigation committee on procurement, governance and finance. According to the report, a majority of the deals were implemented without proper planning, while the developers were appointed without conducting comprehensive due diligence. There was also political interference when it came to deciding on the location of the plots in question, which the committee believes was made in the political interest of certain quarters. This resulted in late completion of some projects, while some were not completed to a satisfactory standard. Mindef will be lodging reports with the police, MACC and related agencies. Malaysia's property market is expected to remain stagnant in 2019, with any meaningful recovery to take place only in 1 to 2 years' time from now. Property consultant Rahim & Co says that 2019's theme will include continued hope and anticipation of improvements with the introduction of new policies and property incentives. It added that the continuation of the wait-and-see sentiment and the persisting struggle of buyers securing housing loans contributed to the market stagnation and high inventory levels. As at the end of the third quarter of 2018, Malaysia's overhang stood at 43,219 units worth 29.47 billion ringgit. Johor holds the highest count of overhang at 13,767 units, followed by Selangor at 7,233 units and KL at 5,114 units. Rahim & Co says the residential market will take 1 to 2 years to recover and will be dependent on effective income growth. As for the office market, that is expected to take more than a year due to the incoming supply and global economic situation. Malaysia Airports Holdings has responded to the EPF's concern over its ongoing spat with AirAsia, saying that it is continuously engaging with all its key shareholders. MAHB adds that it would be happy to address EPF's concerns and clarify the matters with them accordingly. On the flip side, AirAsia Chief Tan Sri Tony Fernandes tweeted that he had met with the EPF senior officials to explain the airline's stance on the airport tax dispute. Fernandes says that the LCC had told EPF CEO Tunku Ali Zakri Alias and senior executives that AirAsia wants its low-cost model to be appreciated and MAHB to partner the airline in promoting low-cost airports. In the meantime, MAHB reiterates that it will let the courts decide whether AirAsia and AirAsia X should pay the 36.12 million ringgit it is claiming for outstanding taxes. AirAsia, however, says it has made another attempt to seek an out-of-court settlement to resolve the issue amicably. Yesterday, Ali Zakri had said that the EPF had become worried about the very public dispute between AirAsia and MAHB. However, he added that the EPF was not in a position to arbitrate and instead is acting as a concerned investor. Hibiscus Petroleum saw its second quarter FY19 net profit skyrocket over 350% from 11 million to 50.1 million ringgit. Revenue for the quarter grew 117% to 165.2 million ringgit. In a statement, the company said that the better numbers was due to the additional contribution from the recently acquired Malaysian North Sabah assets and higher production efficiency from its Anasuria cluster located in the United Kingdom. During the second quarter of FY19, Hibiscus sold approximately 568,000 barrels of crude oil at prices ranging from $58.08 to $71.30 per barrel. Moving forward, MD Dr. Kenneth Pereira says that the company is targeting to execute production enhancement projects that could potentially enhance its net production from 8,850 barrels per day currently to over 12,000 barrels per day by 2021. Sunway Construction Group, or Suncon, has bagged a contract from national power provider Tenaga Nasional to develop a campus along Jalan Bangsa. The contract is worth 781.3 million ringgit. According to the boss filing, Suncon says that with this project, its outstanding order book to date stands at 6 billion ringgit. The project is termed Project Platinum Main Building, and the works are in respect of Phase 2 of Tenaga's headquarters campus development. Suncon says that the works should be completed within 26 months from the date of commencement, which will be determined by the parties. The project is expected to contribute positively to the earnings of the Suncon Group from FY19 onwards.